What's up, guys? Are you kidding me? What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I have a special guest with me today, my sister. Wow, that light is blinding. We had to relocate out here because my husband's sleeping and it's super late. She leaves tomorrow, so she's gonna be helping me unbox my Boxycharm. And I'm actually going to be putting it on her today. I have some face makeup on, but I don't feel like doing my makeup. I'm going to do her makeup right there. She's my little sis. She's 13 years old. She was down here for this past week. And now she's leaving me because she doesn't love me anymore. Yes, I do. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to have her pull out each item and then I'm going to read it. And then we're going to apply it to her face. I think that's what we're going to do. So open it up, it's got our little doodad. And then I'm gonna have her pull out each item and I'm gonna read it for you guys. All right, you ready for this, Lina? Mm-hmm. All right, first item. Boom, what is this? This is, looks like our Note Cosmetics Luminous Silk Compact Blusher. And I'm gonna open this up and this retails for $11.99. Keep in mind that I paid $21 for the subscription, so we're already halfway to the cost. So this is the color. Ooh, too bright. Ooh, too bright. Ooh. It's like, there we go. That's perfect. Okay, so it is the color Desert Rose, and it's like a summery, corally blush color. So that's really nice. Oh, it sounds like it has something in it. It does. It has a little brush. If we're gonna be honest, I probably won't use this, but I mean that's nice to have like on travel while you're traveling. So there's that. And next item. You ready? Next item. Boom, boom, boom.
Mascara.
Thanks. So this is the Wander Beauty Unlashed Volume and Curl Mascara. This retails at $24, so I have already like almost doubled my profit. This is the wand here. Straight up. Ooh. And it comes in like this cute little, like, not a hard tube. It's like, you know, not hard. Whatever. But this is from Wander Beauty. I have never heard of this brand before. I've actually been in the market for a new mascara, so I'm actually pretty pumped this came in the box this month. All right, next item. Ba-ba-boom. What is this? Cello Beauty Eyebrow Cream. This retails at $26. Okay, so we've got a brush on one end. Looks like the other end opens up. And there's cream in there. I don't know if you can see that. So I guess you just put the brush in here and then do your eyebrows, which is weird for me. I don't know. I was using the Brow Gal stuff and it came with like a brush and then the powder, and then I've been switching to brow pencil, but this is different. We'll see how I feel about this. Hopefully this matches her brow color. So yeah, that's awesome. Next thing. Next. There's my cat. Cameo. Minnie. Okay. Next thing is the Needles No More Baggage ID Puffing Gel Dr. Brandt. And actually I did use this earlier just to see how it worked under my under eyes. Like way earlier. It's way late now. So I like the feel of it. It comes out in like this red color. Let's see. Can you see it? It is not. Oh! See there, and then it's like a tacky kind of gel, and you put it under your under eyes, then it's supposed to help. So we'll see how that goes. Gross. Last item I'm pretty pumped about. Bum bum bum. Looks like the Crown Brush Fuego eyeshadow collection.
Can I show it?
Yes. Retails at $29.99. Are we ready? FYI, Fuego is Spanish. I believe it means like hot or something. Fuego. I don't remember. I'm half Mexican. I don't know. Bum bum bum. Bum bum. bum, bum. Ooh, that is a nice summery palette. Look at it. See that? It kind of reminds me of like the Naked Heat, kind of actually of Kylie Jenner's new palette that just came out. A little different, but very similar for summer. So we're gonna do a little looky
I'm so white.
on her face. I already did her. I did her. Oh.
You're gonna edit this out, right?
No.
I put my number on here. I was like, call me 248.
Did you really? Okay, so anyways, I already did her face. Look at that. Look at that highlight. Move your cheek up and down. Oh, girl. Look at that. Oh, she's shiny. Anyways, so I'm like way whiter than she is. Like I used to be her color when I was younger, and I've gotten whiter as I'm older. Look at that. That is redonkulous. She's also been in the sun a lot, so let's just talk about that for a second. So I tried to mix some of my darkest foundations, but it's still a little white for her, so. So we are going to get a look together, and I'm going to try to film it as I go, but we have to change angles, so we will be right back. Guys, that is it for today's video. This is her look. Come down closer. Look how pretty she is. She hates her eyebrows. She hates big eyebrows. She's a natural Nancy. That's okay. She's gonna go take it off in just a second. So thank you so much for watching. Thanks to my special guest, Lina. And we'll see you next time.
Why are you so grumpy? Please give me a kiss.